Hello, welcome to my room. It's Scola and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it would be fun to do a room tour, but not only that, but also show the process of sorting out my room and making it look cute for the room tour, because I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I absolutely love cleaning, organizing, clearing stuff out, making yourself feel good by making your space clear. So I thought it'd be fun for you guys to join in on the whole cleaning bit, and then I'll show you how cute it looks after. So I did mention in a video where I was making myself look all glamorous like I do now. Basically I felt a bit like blah, so I did my hair and my makeup in a video and did a little bit of a life update. So I'll leave a link to that video down below. But I mentioned that my older sister is moving back home from South Korea. She was there for 2 years. Last August I actually moved house, so we moved and we're in a new place now. So in the old space, when my sister moved out, I used her room as a little like office space. I started filming in there, doing my work in there, and then so when we moved here as well, there was another room where I could have a little office space, which I feel so privileged and so lucky to have had. But obviously it's going now because my sister is coming back. So I did a huge declutter of that space. I'm feeling a lot better now, but I still feel like I have a lot of stuff. So I definitely have another wave of decluttering coming, but I think I'm gonna do that like later on. So I'll figure that out. But today I'm going to clear my room, make it look cute and nice. Let's get started. Obviously, it's Gossip Girl time. Best background noise ever. So I always have these in my room, and I think I'm gonna be using the pink one today. And then I have this little spray bottle always in my room too. I got this probably from like Poundland, Wilko's, something like that. Same with the cloths. And it's got a mixture of like, it's not actually Zoflora, but it's like the knockoff versions of Zoflora that they do in like Poundland and Savers and stuff. I think I got it from Savers. I don't know what the scent is actually. I think it's lavender. I prefer using this to clean with because then it gives my room a nicer smell and not like a cleaning bleachy smell, if that makes sense. Get you one of these. Okay, so I've pretty much finished like the big bulk of stuff. You know when you just have to pack stuff away that's just been out for a long time, make everything look nice. I've wiped stuff down, I've dusted and all of that good stuff. So ooh, actually, that being said, when I get the Hoover out, I'm gonna need to do a little bit of spider sucking and cobweb sucking because I'm seeing some cobwebs that have developed. Okay, so I have officially finished with everything. Hoovering is always the most satisfying last part of cleaning up. And the room is pretty much how I'd like it to be for the next few months, to be honest with you. I feel like I'd be happy with it. I mean, there are little things here and there that I'd like to improve, but I'll chat to you guys about that throughout the tour. Now it's time for the room tour. Let me just move my tripod out of the way so you guys can appreciate the room a bit more. And yeah, time for the room tour. Okay, so you start off by walking into my room and you have a set of doors right here, the light switch here. I never know why people show stuff like this in a room tour, like look, there's my light switch. So let's start off with the closet because I think you've not seen that when I was doing everything else. So this is my closet. This is actually an area I haven't cleaned up for this tour. I just sort of left it how it is, but it's probably neater than it was a few weeks ago. A few weeks ago it was super messy. But I have these drawers that I inherited from my sister when she moved away, and they are so good and I haven't been able to find them since. They're from IKEA and they're just so useful. We've got like my bedding in here, and then I can't remember what's in here. I used to have labels, but they just didn't look cute. I used to have labels of what's in each one, so I remembered. Behind here I've also got a suitcase, and I've got my violin, which I haven't played in forever. I've got a violin, and back there you can't see, but I also have my keyboard. I'm so happy to have this space because I just love that it's inbuilt, and then you just tuck everything away. I just feel like it keeps the room so neat. And then we move into the main bit. So here is the bed. So again, the bed is something I inherited from my sister. I'm not sure where she got it, probably like IKEA or somewhere, I'm not sure. But I've got the bed. I excuse the fact that my bed sheets are wrinkly. I'm so bad, I never iron my bed sheets. I probably need to get a steamer. I'm just gonna steam it and be lazy just to get the creases out so it looks at least a bit more presentable than it does now. Over here, I've got it covered up. These are my goals. I try to keep them a secret and keep them to myself. It's really just for me to look at. But when everyone comes over into my room, they always end up reading it and I get really embarrassed because, yeah, they're really ambitious goals and I don't know whether they'll happen, but it's nice to look at and feel motivated. And then up here on my wall, I have this sign and it lights up as well. This is something I got from, I want to say Dunelm. So I got this from Dunelm, super cheap, but just really made the room look so much nicer. That's the door we came in. I've got my dressing gown, which I've got hanging on the back of the door. And then I have this like hook that I got from B&M, I think. And then I've got this headdress just here as decor from my friend's business. She makes like a lot of like really magical fairy stuff. And then I've got this ottoman, which I'm so happy with. So I got this from Wayfair and I remember just thinking I'm going to invest in it and I love it. So this is where I keep my shoes. So it's shoes I don't really wear that often. I really need to declutter my shoes, but in there I've got all my shoes. Got this mirror, which I think is from B&M as well. Again, something I inherited from my sister's room when she moved. And then I've got this plant, which I got from a local garden centre. And then the planter I got from Homebase really recently. They're still there. So if you want to go to Homebase, get yourself a new planter, you can do that. This bag you would have seen in my latest haul video. It's really cute. I got it from TK Maxx. And then this, oh, I love this. This is another big investment piece for my room. And I got this like, I want to say 2 years ago, 3 years ago now, but it's this like feather lamp and it changes color and there are different lights and stuff like that. And then I've just got this like fake plant vine going down it, which I think really adds to it, because when I take that off, this doesn't look great, but like with that on, it makes it look like a moment. And then I've got this TV, again, something I inherited from my sister's room. I'm not a big TV person, like I just watch stuff on my laptop, but it's nice to have this option when I have friends over that we can like just watch stuff on the TV for a bigger screen. My bookcase, so in here is where I have all of my products, my beauty stuff. Honestly, this is the best way to keep them at the moment. Like, it's all jumbled and it's all messed up. There's actually a lot of stuff I need to throw out in here that's just run out. But yeah, that's all my stuff. Here are my vitamins. If you want to get 20% off your 28 pack of vitamins, 28-day pack of vitamins. User code Scola20. So this is where I get my vitamins, 5, made just for you. So all the vitamins are in this tube. And then here I have this little stool, which used to be for my desk in my old room. I had a little stool there, and I've just kept it because I just know it'll come in handy, and it's actually so perfect for me doing my makeup here at the window. So this is my windowsill, and I've just got pictures on here, cute stuff, and I've just lit some candles because I really want these to run out. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, I just don't want to have too much stuff, and I need to start using stuff up, so I'm using up these candles. I can see pretty far because I'm at the top of a hill, and I love that. And you can see the sky. It's gorgeous. Well, I've had to put my desktop computer back here because I no longer have an office, so I've just sort of tucked it in, and it's not too bad as long as I keep my room tidy. This sort of works at the moment. And then I've got my pencils and stuff like that again from my office, but now it's in here. It's just sitting there, and I'm charging my camera battery. And then this thing is just filled up with different stuff. So I've got like my hair accessories and everything like that in there. And I've got some lovely perfumes. This is Daisy by Marc Jacobs. This is a Charlotte Tilbury one. And then this is a, what's it, Victor and Rolf one? Flower Bomb. And then this has got all my makeup in it. So this is like all my stuff that I use on a regular basis. And then I've got like eyeshadow stuff. And then at the bottom is all my nail stuff. And then underneath my bed, I've just got a ton of crap. So that was my room. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my little space. This is my favorite place on the whole entire planet. Definitely not where I'd want it to be. So a lot of this stuff isn't stuff that I actively went out to get to decorate my room with. Obviously stuff that I got from my sister when she moved out, and I just sort of kept it because my stuff wasn't that great. But this is very reflective of my teen room. Like when I finally had my own room when I was like 16, 17, and I first put everything together, it's not really changed that much. Like the vibe hasn't changed too much. And I'd love to have just more of a stylized room, and I really wanted to do that. Like I was like, okay, when my sister is coming back, I'm gonna like redo my whole room, get all new furniture and all of that kind of stuff. But it's just like, now is not really a good time to be doing that. So I'm just gonna have it as it is, and when I get the opportunity to be able to really make the space into how I feel right now as a person, that'll be great. I have nothing to do with the carpet. I have nothing to do with the color of the walls. That is one thing I have to put out there. So I've made do with what I could with a rented space. I just feel like all landlords should just put in hardwood floor or like laminate flooring or whatever, because carpets, oh my gosh guys, I've already stained this carpet so much and it stresses me out so much because I just wish it was just like hardwood floor and I could put on my own rug that I want, and I can just mess up if I want to and get it cleaned easily. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay luscious, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.